Today, I want to share a very simple secret that you need to start applying today as a Forex trader. In fact, my life changed significantly when I started applying this particular secret. Have you ever noticed that whenever you enter a trade, sometimes the market comes against you, take you out, and then continue your direction? This is simply because you don't understand market order types. So in this video, I'm going to explain everything about market order types, how to use them properly, and how to know the right one to use anytime you want to enter a trade. In fact, this is a game changer for you. If you stick to the end of this video, you will understand everything, and I promise you a lot of things will change in your trading history. So by the way, if this is your first time of seeing my channel, please like and subscribe to this channel so that you will see more of these kind of videos. So without wasting more time, let's get down to it, guys. We have two major order types in Forex trading. First one is instant order or market order, and the second one is pending orders. Now, the first one, which is instant order, that is the one that many people use, many Forex traders use. Okay, I will tell you why it is important to use it, because this first one, instant order, helps you to jump into the market instantly once you click buy or sell. But the second one, which is pending order, people don't really talk much about it, and many Forex traders don't even understand properly how to use it. And I'm going to explain in details how to use pending orders and the power of it, how it can change a lot of things. So let's get into it, and I will show you how it looks like in diagram, and then I will show you how to use them properly in the chart. So let's go. Okay, let's begin with the easy one, which is instant order or market order. This is a particular order that gives you the opportunity to be in the market instantly once you are convinced from your analysis that the market will start going to your direction from that particular moment. Okay, let's say, for example, this chart you are seeing here. After my analysis, if I am convinced that if I enter the market here, that the market will immediately continue going in my direction up to this particular point, then I will enter instant order. I will just click buy or sell, and immediately I will be in the market. Okay, then I will set my stop loss here and my take profit here. Okay, for those of us who may not know the meaning of stop loss and take profit, stop loss is just a particular order that you set so that if the market did not go in your direction and decide to go against you, then it will just stop you with a little loss. Okay, that is what you set here. And your take profit is where if the market continue going in your direction and reach a particular position, then the market will just close. Okay, the market will close your trade and put your gain to your account. So that is all it means. So without wasting much time, let me just show you how you can enter instant order, which is very easy. What all you need to do is just click on new order. Then if you look at this particular point, you can see that it says market execution. It means just click buy or sell, you will just be in the market. So then here it says volume. Volume means your lot size. You can adjust this lot size to any number you want depending on your account. Okay, but let me just say I want to take lot size of 0.01, and then the next thing is to set your stop loss and your take profit. So my stop loss, as you can see from here, is 112.800, 112.800, and then my take profit is 115.800. Okay, so as you can see here, it's already showing me buy by market. So once I click buy by market, I will instantly be in the market, and you will see it here. Okay, boom, that's all. Okay, I'm already in this market, and as you can see here, the market is already reading. All right, so that is how to enter an instant order. And once you just click anything, buy or sell, if the market goes against you immediately, you start losing or you start gaining. So next one is pending orders, and pending orders are very important for you to know them as a trader, because sometimes after analyzing the market, you will notice that the market is not yet trading at a point that you want it to be before you enter the market. So what do? You have to set an order that will give you the opportunity to enter the market when it trades at that particular point. So pending order is simply an order that gives you the opportunity to be in the market whenever you want to be in it, even without being in the market all the time. Okay, let me explain what I mean by that. We have two forms of pending orders. We have stop pending orders and limit pending orders. So let me begin with this first one, which is buy stop. Buy stop simply means, okay, let's say for example, market is in an uptrend, okay, and the market is trading at this particular point. After your analysis, you believe that when the market trades to this particular point, this green line, that it will definitely continue upwards. So, but you're not going to be in the market when it reaches this particular point. All you need to do is to set a buy stop order, an order that will pick you once it reaches this particular point and continues upwards. Sell stop is opposite of it. So let's say market is trading at this particular point, and you believe that once market reaches this particular red line, okay, that definitely the market will continue going downwards. So what you need to do is just to set a sell stop at this particular point. So once market reaches here, whether you are online or not, it will just pick you and continue your direction and give you your profit. Okay, and then you set your stop loss just above it, so that if in case it goes against you, it will just take you out with a small stop loss. Then buy limit. Buy limit is when, for example, the market is selling, okay, the market is selling, but you believe that when the market sell up to this particular point, this green line, that it is going to reverse and continue going up. So what do? You set a buy stop limit, giving you the opportunity that when the market sell up to that particular point, it will just pick you up and continue in bullish direction. And sell limit is opposite of it. When the market is in an uptrend, but you believe that when the market reaches, that is after your analysis, you believe that when the market reaches a particular point, then it is going to react and reverse and go downwards. So all you have to do is just to set a sell limit order, giving you the opportunity that when market trade up to this particular red line, okay, it will just pick you up and continue downwards in your direction. So this is the power of pending orders, because it gives you the opportunity to be in the market even when you are not there. I'm going to show you how you can enter it right now in MetaTrader 5. So now I'm going to show you how to place these pending orders in the chart. Looking at this particular chart, I'm going to use it as an example to illustrate pending orders for you. Okay, here is entering price, and here is stop loss, and here is take profit. So this particular market is in an uptrend, okay, but after my analysis, I believe that the market will first of all return to this particular point before it continues going up. All right, but maybe I am not a full-time trader. I have another job doing. Then what can I do in order to be in this market even when I'm very busy at work? All I have to do is to set a limit order, a buy limit order, because a buy limit order gives you the opportunity to be in the market when the market returns at a particular point and then continue in bullish direction. Okay, so I'm going to, this is my entering price, this is my stop loss, and this is my take profit. So this is how to enter the order. First, just click on new order. When you click on new order, this place that it wrote market execution, just click on it. Okay, you will see different order types. Okay, here you see buy limit, sell stop, and others. So I want to set a buy limit order, so I click on buy limit. Okay, then the next thing it will show you is what is the volume you want to take. That is your lot size. Then I click on it. You can set any lot size you want, but let me say I will go with 0.01. Your lot size should be determined by your account size. All right, and then the next one is your stop loss. Okay, and here it shows price. This price you are seeing here is the entering price, this entering price that I showed you. So the entering price from what I showed you is 112.800. 112.800. Okay, then the next one is your stop loss. Okay, the stop loss where you want it to be should be let's say 112.200. Okay, and your take profit is at 115.800. Okay, after doing this, then you click on buy. See, say that your buy limit order has been set. Done. All right, you click on it. So looking at this particular point, okay, your order has been set. If you look at this place, you say order placed. Okay, then if you look at this, you see the time you entered, buy limit, the type of order, you see the price, you see your stop loss, you see your take profit. All right, so the same thing is how you can do other types. Okay, let me show you example of another one. Let's try a stop order. So I want to enter a buy stop order. I believe, after my analysis, I believe that if the market trade up to this particular point that I wrote the entry, okay, that the market will just continue trading up to this particular point where I want to take my profit. But I'm not going to be on my laptop when the market trade up to this particular point. Maybe I may be very busy doing something else. Okay, but I don't want to lose this particular opportunity. What do? I have to set a stop order. Okay, so I want to set a buy stop order that when it reach here, it will just pick me. I will set my stop loss at this particular point and my take profit at this particular point. So how do you do it? Just click on new order. Very simple. Just go to market execution, click on it, then you will see your buy stop. Okay, I pick my buy stop. Then the next one is volume. I want to go with 0.01 lot size. Okay, let me say I want to change lot size this time around. I want to go with 0.02 lot size. And then the next one is I want to change the price. So at what price do I want to enter the market? I want to enter the market at this particular price, 114.400. Okay, I just enter 114.400. Okay, then the next one is where do I want to place my stop loss? I want to place my stop loss at 114.00. Okay, 114.000. Okay, and then I want to take my profit at 115.600. Okay, 115.600. So after doing this, then as you can see, by stop order, stop loss, your take profit. So you just click on that, you say your buy stop order is done. Okay, and then you click OK. So your order has been placed. If you look down here, you can see that it's saying your order has been placed. And if you look at this particular order type, you can see that it is a buy stop order. This is the price you enter the market. This is your stop loss, and this is your take profit. Okay, so once the market trade up to this particular point, you will just be in the market whether you are there or not, and the market will continue your direction and hit your take profit or hit your stop loss as the case may be, depending if your analysis is okay. So knowing these order types is very important as a trader, whether you are a day trader or maybe you have a business doing that you are not always trading all the time. It is important to help you not to be on the chart all the time, and also it helps you not to enter the market instantly when it has not reached a particular point that you're supposed to enter the market. Okay? It gives you the opportunity to enter the market at a proper time, and also put a lot size that at least will help you to manage your risk. So I want you to take your time to practice with all these order types and try to master them and use them, because it will help you a lot. It has been helping me, and I believe it can also help you. So the same way I enter these ones, you can enter for sell. If you look at these examples that I gave here, I used buying only, but you can do the same thing for selling, and it will give you the same result. So, having seen everything that I have shown you in this video, if this video was helpful for you, please do well to click the like button and the subscription button so that you get more of these kind of videos. We have other videos like this in this channel. Click on the playlist and you'll see more. See you in the next one, and remain profitable. Don't blow that account.